Hi guys, I'm Oscar and you're watching an awesome video. Please like and subscribe. Today we will be experimenting with bicarbonate soda and this vinegar. So guys, I forgot to mention that we've also got yellow food colouring. You probably can't see well on that, but yeah, we have. So let's just get straight into this video. Firstly, you need the bicarbonate powder soda. Just dump it in there. More the merrier. Yeah. There. If this goes everywhere, my mum's going to kill me, so I'm just going to get it now. So, as you can see, we've got our bicarbonate soda in there. Just going to add this for the colour. Not Christmassy, but I love yellow. Put a lot in there. Next thing we need is a nice big stir. It's not something it looks like jam. If you wanted to prank someone with fake jam, just use this because it literally looks like jam. Tesco yellow food colouring and Waitrose I can't remember. Now for the good bit, I hope. No. I'm just gonna put Mum's favourite dish off. If this goes over wrong, I'm doomed. I don't even know if anything's gonna happen, so don't get your hopes up. It's happening. Oh my god. It's cool. That's how you make a volcano. That's quite cool actually. It's sizzling and bubbling. Just having a smells kind of nice. See, so try again. It's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace out.